How to recover Instagram account without email, password, and number. So if you want to recover Instagram account without the email, password, and number, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having the internet connection, you can open up your Google or your browser and search for Instagram Help Center. So go with help.instagram.com, and once you're here, you just need simply go with help articles, and under help articles you need to go with recover Instagram account. After searching for recover Instagram account, here you need to go with if you think your account has been hacked, and after tapping on it, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply scroll down and then tap on visit this page, which is right here, and from here it will take you to the request Instagram support. You can select something else, or you can also go with any one of these options. You can go with I forgot my password, or my account was disabled and everything. So after selecting that, you need to go with next and request Instagram support, and then tap on next. It will take you to this kind of interface. You need to go all the way to the down and then tap on was this helpful. Here you need to go with no, and then tap on other, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to say something about your problem. So here you need to write, I tried to log into my Instagram, but I think I forgot my password and email of my Instagram account. Please help me to recover it. If you need anything, you can contact me, and then you can enter the contact information, which is your mobile number or your email address, your user ID, your Instagram name, your followers. You can just give some information. After that, send, and this will help you to recover your Instagram account without your email, password, and number. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.